Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Apache Whimsy is not your typical open source project. It's a behind-the-scenes toolkit that powers the infrastructure and governance of the Apache Software Foundation. Rather than building software for end users, Whimsy automates administrative tasks for Apache members and committers, making it easier to manage projects, committees, and even incubation processes. As the Apache Software Foundation grew, managing its contributors, projects, and committees became increasingly complex. Whimsy was built to automate these tasks, allowing members to perform administrative functions through a web interface instead of relying on manual help or email threads. At its core, Whimsy offers a suite of features designed to streamline Apache's internal operations. These include a self-serve portal for managing memberships and committees, dashboards for tracking incubating projects, and APIs that expose internal data to other tools across the foundation. Whimsy is largely written in Ruby, with many tools using the lightweight Sinatra framework for web interfaces. It integrates deeply with Apache's internal systems like LDAP for user data, Git repositories for source control, and mailing list archives for historical data. The architecture of Apache Whimsy is modular and efficient. It pulls data from internal systems like LDAP and Git, caches it for performance, and exposes it through clean web dashboards and structured APIs. This makes it easy for other tools within Apache to consume and act on that data. One of the most powerful aspects of Whimsy is its self-serve portal. It allows Apache members to manage committee memberships, update podling statuses, and view voting histories, all without needing to go through manual processes or email chains. Whimsy's infrastructure tools automate tasks like updating project metadata, tracking voting status, and managing incubation timelines. These tools also provide dashboards that give real-time insight into project health and internal governance processes. Community tools in Whimsy include parsers for mailing list activity, tools for browsing member directories, and visualizations for voting histories. These help maintain transparency and allow contributors to better understand community dynamics. Whimsy's APIs are crucial for other Apache tools that need access to structured data about projects, members, and committees. These APIs return data in JSON format, making it easy to build dashboards or automate workflows. To handle the scale of Apache's ecosystem, Whimsy uses caching mechanisms and lightweight data processing to ensure dashboards and APIs respond quickly. This is essential for tools that are accessed by thousands of contributors daily. The Incubator Tooling in Whimsy is designed to support the Apache Incubator process. It tracks the lifecycle of podlings, automates status reporting, and provides dashboards for mentors to monitor progress. Governance is a key part of Apache's culture, and Whimsy supports this by offering tools to track voting histories, automate vote tallying, and provide transparency into how decisions are made within projects. In real-world usage, Whimsy automates incubator status updates, supports new contributor onboarding through structured data, and provides real-time dashboards for monitoring project health. These features are critical for Apache's smooth operation. Security is crucial in Whimsy, especially since it handles sensitive data like voting records and membership details. It integrates with Apache LDAP for authentication and implements role-based access control to ensure only authorized users can perform actions. Contributing to Whimsy requires Apache membership and familiarity with Ruby and Sinatra. The codebase is hosted on ASF's Git repositories, and contributions are made through the standard Apache process. Unlike many open-source tools, Whimsy is not designed for public consumption. It's tailored for internal use within Apache and tightly integrated with Apache's infrastructure, making it unique, but also less accessible to outsiders. Performance is critical in Whimsy, and metrics show it handles thousands of requests per day with sub-500 ms response times. This is achieved through aggressive caching and optimized data processing. Whimsy plays a role in Apache's monthly board reports by automating data collection and providing structured reports. This helps board members make informed decisions about project health and governance. Whimsy includes tools that visualize mailing list activity, voting trends, and contributor networks. These visualizations help project leads understand community engagement and decision-making patterns. Whimsy integrates deeply with Apache's infrastructure, pulling user data from LDAP, source code from Git, and historical data from mailing lists. This integration is key to its effectiveness. To optimize performance, Whimsy uses caching layers like Redis and in-memory storage to reduce database queries. This significantly improves API response times and user experience. Whimsy supports transparency by offering public dashboards for voting data, open access to member directories, and historical governance records. This openness is central to Apache's values. For new contributors, Whimsy provides structured interfaces to access project information, simplifying onboarding. It also automates role assignments and permissions based on contributor activity. The incubation lifecycle is fully automated in Whimsy, tracking milestones, deadlines, and status updates. It also provides mentorship tools to guide podlings through the process. Governance automation in Whimsy includes automated vote tallying, tracking decision history, and supporting board reporting. These tools ensure governance is both efficient and transparent. Whimsy acts as the backbone of Apache's open-source governance model, enabling scalable operations and supporting a community-driven approach to managing large-scale projects. Looking ahead, Whimsy is expected to expand its API capabilities, improve contributor tools, and enhance data visualization. These improvements will further streamline Apache's operations. If you're interested in learning more about Whimsy, start with Apache's documentation, explore Ruby and Sinatra tutorials, and check out the GitHub repositories for individual tools. In practice, Whimsy is used daily by Apache members to support hundreds of projects. It automates key workflows like committee management, voting, and incubation tracking. Apache Whimsy is critical for Apache's operations, focusing on automation and transparency. While it's built for internal use, its impact on governance and scalability is profound. While Whimsy isn't designed for external developers, it's deeply integrated with Apache's infrastructure and essential for large-scale governance and contributor management. Thanks for watching this deep dive into Apache Whimsy. If you found it useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more infrastructure deep dives, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.